It's something we can get into. And it wouldn't even be us selling it. It would be Lenny. What if he fucks us? Well, then we'll just kill him.
Well, we all have that in us that we just need to tap into. And to me, I think it's almost a sin to let that go to waste. You know, and that I firmly believe that.
Yeah. What advice would you give people who have a sense that they are creative, but maybe not see that in themselves?
The thing is, you need to be your biggest fan. And you need to be your biggest critic at the same time. But you also need to be your biggest fan. You need to be able to do things without necessarily seeking the validation of others. Because at the end of the day, the validation from others does not matter. Because it's your idea and it's your creation. To hell with everybody else's opinion. Because they don't have that gift that God gave you. They have a different gift. And honestly, don't even ask. Don't even ask people, what do you think about this? You just do it yourself, and you need to train your brain to not seek validation from other people because you're never going to get it. You're never going to get it. You need to seek validation from yourself. That's what you need to do.